balay pi dang trot. Why are you scratching? Kadang shaba palan. It is itching too much. Pidai ban pindan kam. You have to use dawai pinja jingdat, medicine that eliminate itching. Nae nga la ban yo. From where can I get? Pila ban yo na dukan de dawai. You can get it from the pharmacy. Pimdan re hayeng jongpi. You don't have it at home? U la lut. It is finished. Pan na I para marjan. Ask from the neighbor. Nga le ran. I am feeling shy. Kumnu pan pi pan nanga. How come you ask from me? Pi long ubrio uba long paralog. You are a friendly man. Kren Phareng. Speak nicely with everyone. Pin your paralog shibon. You will get many friends. Kum ma pi. Like you. Kren man kapor. Speak every time. Shaphang ka baba. About the good thing. About the good thing. Shaphang ka baba.